Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can add the page number on your documents with the Google Docs application. You will see now here is my document, and if you can see in the document here there's no page number on it. So let's just try to add the page number for this document. Go type into the edit section just to access the edit part. Now please take a look on this top side here. You just need to go type into this plus button to insert more options. Go drag into the top part and there will be like page number there. Go tap it. So of course we want to left the cover page blank for the number, right? We want to start counting the page for the next paper or next page. So make sure you use these two options, this or this, the second or the fourth. So here you can also pick either you want to make it into the up corner or in the down corner. And right after you're done, go tap it. And now just have to go click continue. And you'll see now, let's just check into the result. We already got the number page for our documents. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.